guys, thanks for stopping by and welcome all the new subscribers to my channel. I'm so happy to have you all, and today I'm taking you on running some errands with me and I also need to go to Tractor Supply to buy some chicken food and some goat food, and I'm gonna stop at Winco. I need milk, cucumbers and pizza spice. That's the only three things I need, but let's see if I can only keep it to buying those three things. Yeah.
Look at this chicken coop, isn't that cute? It is so cute. I'm sure it's pricey. I don't know what the price is, but it's so neat. You go and get your eggs here. Little tiny place for the chickens to sit down. That's a cute one, huh? So for my goat, I'm gonna get this grass alfalfa. Because our grass in our backyard is getting like not good anymore because watering, I don't know, it takes me a lot of time plus the cost of water. And I'm sure it costs about $10 or $11. I'm gonna find out later. But I think it's worth the money because it saves me a lot of work too, not just the cost of water.
So I just got back from the store and I bought the chicken food, 50 pounds, which was $14.99, and the grass bale alfalfa for the goat, which was actually $19.99, which is like wow, a lot of money, but it's still worth it. And here's my receipt, and I had that $5 off coupon when you spend over $25 from the survey mini. That was like my reward I chose for the points I earned. So yeah, this is how much I spent, and the $5 they gave me a discount here, so $29.98 with the tax. Oh, they didn't charge me tax, which is cool. So I spent $29.98 for my... Next stop is Winco, and I'm bringing my bags because in California, in the grocery stores, they charge you like 10 cents a bag, and I'm just not willing to pay. So I'm bringing my own bag. Okay, the cucumbers kind of overpriced today, so I'll get only two. I know the broccoli were not on my list, but when I was taking my son to his guitar practice today, I asked him what vegetable he would want to eat because I want him to eat more vegetables. So, and I told him like any vegetable you want, I'll buy it. So and he said he would eat broccoli, so I'll buy one of these thingies of broccoli for him. I hope he'll eat it, because if not, yeah, he better eat it. Milk, and I also make sure I get a good expiration date because we have some extra milk from our goat. We don't use it that much. If you use the milk that fast, you have to take at least a week and a half to use it up. So yeah, I have enough time to use it up. This would be a good gift for Christmas. If you have to give to somebody but you don't have a lot of money to spend, like just a little bit more than like $11 with the tax. It's not too bad, but I have to stick to my budget. That's the only things I'm buying today. It's the end of the month, so I use that in my budget already. So here's my receipt from Winco. The broccoli was $107. The cucumber was, the two of them were $1.36. 92 cents for the pizza spice, and because I just got a little bit, not a whole pound. So when the milk was $3.64 a gallon, which is $7.28 for both. $10.63 is the total. So I did good, almost good. Just one item that I didn't originally plan, so it's still good. Yeah. And I'm also gonna get the 25 cents back from Ibotta. It's 25 cents for any item, so that's good too. Some money back, a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I know in the store, like, because it's too noisy, you can't really hear what I'm saying, so I'm just gonna have to write some stuff down on the screen when I edit it. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and the like and all that stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.